Now, the Gulmarg sector holds key strategic importance as it sits between the Uri and Poonch Rajouri sectors, acting as a vital link to forward areas in Jammu and Kashmir. It has rugged terrain and snow-covered mountains make it a challenging route for infiltration. Like other sectors along the line of control, Gulmarg remains on high alert with the army and BSF maintaining multiple layers of defense despite the harsh conditions. Take a look at this report filed by my colleague Mir Fareed.
We are at around 14,000 feet above the sea level near the line of control in the Gulmarg sector. And right now we know the line of control is tense. India and Pakistan armies have exchanged fire, and the frequency has only increased. Various sectors seeing ceasefire violations, and if you talk of the Gulmarg sector, this is one of the most strategic locations that the army controls on the line of control, because this is the access point, and from one side is the Uri sector and on the other is the Poonch and Rajouri sector. Now behind me, I'll ask Muzaffar to show you the kind of topography, the kind of snow-filled mountains. And that's why they say this is one of the most difficult line of controls to man. That's why we also say why 0% infiltration figures to achieve it is humanly possible, is in fact humanly impossible, because the kind of passes, the kind of terrain, the kind of jungle topography, there is ample opportunity for the infiltrators to hide and evade the security forces and the army. Also, if you can see the kind of boulders, the kind of rock formation that there is ample opportunity to take cover positions. But right now, post the Pahalgam terror attack, tensions have increased. Everyone is anticipating some punitive military action as far as the Indian response to Pahalgam attack is concerned, while diplomatic offensive everyone has seen, including the latest one where for Pakistani planes, Indian airspace has been completely shut and closed. But everyone right now is expecting a punitive military response, but no one knows what's that going to be, whether it is going to be bigger, stronger than the previous ones we've seen in Balakot, and what exactly, which sector. Those are the questions. That's the kind of uncertainty which has gripped the Kashmir Valley, Jammu, in fact the whole country. But we know these are strategic decisions, these are sensitive decisions, and obviously behind the scenes a lot is happening. Kashmir skies are full of aerial activity. There is aerial patrolling, and we know that on the other side of the divide, the line of control, Pakistan is in panic. The Air Force planes, Air Force stations have been activated, and then to add to that, forward army formations are also on the highest alert. Right now, LOC tense, but as far as army is concerned, they are on the highest alert and guarding the LOC, the borders, 24/7. With Campus and Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Fareed, Gulmarg LOC sector for India Today.